Hey guys, welcome back to the channel, and today we are going to be reviewing a monster truck. This is Bates Motel's Psycho Bigfoot. Now this truck I did purchase on eBay. I don't remember when or how much I paid for it, but yeah, let's review it. This is a pretty cool truck. Let's take a look at the front here. On the front here we have the Bigfoot 4x4 website, KC lights, and Ford. And on the hood there, we have a picture of the Bates Motel and the driver's signature on the windshield. Onto the other side now. Same as the passenger side, Psycho Bigfoot, a picture from the movie, and we have the red rims, red shocks, onto the back now, we have Bates Motel, Psycho, and Ford. And yeah, let's take the body off and you guys can take a look at the inside. Alright guys, this is how it looks with the body taken off. You can see all the detail right there. There's the inside, steering wheel, gearbox. You have the big engine, your headers, roll bar. You can see the shocks a lot better now. Nice red shocks. Over to the front here, you have your fuel cell, the front of the interior. Over to the other side, same thing. The inside, steering wheel, seat, then your engine. On the back, you have your battery pack and the back of the engine. I'll show you guys the bottom part underneath the truck. See the detail underneath there. Very nice truck. Yeah, that's gonna be it for this, guys. Just wanted to show you guys this monster truck. I will have another video about this truck coming soon. And yeah, that's it, guys. If you guys are monster truck fans, smack that like button and subscribe. Thanks for watching, everybody.